Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning friend, welcome back. It has been a while. I have missed you guys so much. But we have been... Hi, Ava. I feel like her head just all of a sudden popped into the screen like a big old bobblehead. Anyways, we have been busy. So, hi, Ariana. We thought we would just check in to say hi and let you know what we have been up to. So the first big thing is Ariana and her health. She's had some health issues over the past month and a half, but we're better now, huh, kiddo?
Yeah, a lot better.
Yep. So we had our first experience getting to call 911. Met some really hot firefighters. Don't tell Steve.
They were hot.
Steve thought they were the hottest. Just kidding. Anyways, so anyways, her health is fine. We've had maybe in the past month and a half 3 hospital stays. Ariana, is that right?
Yeah.
3. So a couple hospital stays. We're on the mend and doing good. And then in the midst of all that, we found out that we needed to move. Our landlord decided to sell our house. Well, he's always intended to, just not in a position where we could buy it and he couldn't wait any longer. So we found out we have 45 days to move. So we have moved. We live about, 45 minutes away from where we used to be, in a super tiny old farmhouse that is by no means beautiful, but it is fun. We've had a lot of fun since
It's
we moved
beautiful in its own way.
So I'll take you guys through a chaotic walkthrough here at the end of this video so you can kind of see. Not that you knew what my old house looked like, but this one, guys, I don't even know how I'm going to record my cook with me's because literally I have maybe like 5 feet of counter space altogether, if that. But hey, I'm Chaos Jen. I can roll with it and we will make it happen. So that's where we've been. I did fall off the wagon diet-wise quite a bit. In fact, last time I got on the scale, I had gained between 15 and 17 pounds. It kind of fluctuated a little bit. Yeah, that was me. I almost got booted out of the weight loss contest at work, which you guys know that I worked really hard on all year long. I won the main competition part, and then for the continuation program, all I really had to do was keep 7 pounds off from my original weight. And I almost got booted out of the program because I gained too much weight, but shaved my legs, lost all that weight. Just kidding. I didn't diet. I ate healthier, but I am still in the program by the skin of my teeth, but I'm telling all my coworkers at work that the reason I lost the weight is because I finally shaved my legs after the winter. Anybody else have that problem?
Winter? You mean COVID?
Could you look at
I shaved my legs. Gosh. I don't know. Why do we put up with him?
I shaved my head and lost like 30 pounds.
Yes, Ariana is now bald. Her lupus we're assuming it's her lupus, made her lose a lot of her hair, so she just shaved the whole thing. You want to show him?
Everybody likes the bald head.
Everybody likes Ariana's bald head, so there you go. We moved. Ariana's bald. I've gained weight.
I now have
I'm drinking pop
Our
again.
pets' heads are falling off. But honestly, you know what? We have been so blessed. What were you saying, Ariana?
Tell them my new YouTube name.
Oh, Ariana wanted me to tell you guys she's starting a new YouTube channel. She was Tacky and Toothless, but now she is Caffeinated Chaos. Keep an eye out for that channel. It's coming soon to a YouTube near you. Let's see what else. Ava cut her hair. She's got short hair. She got her ears pierced this weekend. You want to show them your earrings? Can you see them? She got blue earrings. When did ear piercing get so expensive, guys? I didn't want to risk any allergies to any type of metal because Ariana's got such a huge history of being allergic. So we opted for the more expensive pair, but her earrings, $82 freaking dollars, which I know is not a lot for earrings, but when you're going to get your ears pierced and you're thinking, maybe $40, and they say 82, shoot.
Dang.
That was a lot.
87 plus tax.
Yes, yep, 87 plus tax, sorry.
Yeah.
Off a few. Our oldest son, Sebastian, is still going to school. He's running in track. He did fantastic this year. We did not get to go and watch any of his meets because of you know why. But we did get to watch him run on TV, which was pretty awesome. He's in a good place right now. And the youngest two, Ava and Sebastian, actually switched schools during the move. We didn't mention that.
Ava and Brendan.
Yeah, I forgot my kid's name. Anyways, so Ava and Brendan, my youngest two, switched schools. And they really like their new school. And we almost lost Ava for spring break. She went to school for one day and made a friend and ended up going over there to spend the night at her house for spring break. And basically, we didn't see her again for like 4 days. 5 days. We had to threaten her to come back home. We really did have to threaten her, but It was just awesome to have new friends and get to spend spring break with them, and it was just cool. So that's where we've been. Still the same chaoses, just in case I haven't said that.
Now I'm caffeinated.
Now she's caffeinated chaos. Anything else going on, guys, that we need to tell all our friends about? We sure did miss you. To those of you who checked in on us, thank you so very much. That means so much to me. So much. You guys are awesome. All right, so that about sums it up. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep you too much longer, but I'm looking forward to getting back on track with you guys. I was talking about my weight. I talked about how I gained some weight. I am continuing / returning to the blue plan. I currently get 25 points a day, and I have been tracking for the past week and a half, 2 weeks, and I've been doing pretty good. I'm gonna give myself a month grace, and I'm gonna weigh in probably around mid-May, just to give myself a chance to catch up. And I want to focus on getting back on track with my entire lifestyle, not just that number on the scale. So we'll be doing a weigh-in then. I'm looking forward to doing my cook with me's with you guys, my grocery hauls. I've got a bunch of subscription boxes at home waiting to be unboxed, so looking forward to that. And like I said, I think that's about it. Sorry for the random chaosiness of this video. We kind of jumped all over the place, but anyways, if you haven't already, if you give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. If you're not a member of our YouTube family and would like to either come back or join, because guys, bless you. I lost a lot of subscribers over the past month, but anyways, I understand. I get it. If you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. Which one is it? Is it this side now? I forgot. It's been so long.
I know, it's been a while.
Down in one of these corners, guys, hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family. And until next time, bye. Alright guys, I've chickened out. I can't show you my whole house because clearly just by looking at the living room, it is a mess. This is our breezeway / dining room. And we are still in the process of unpacking all kinds of stuff. Over in that corner is a coat closet. In here, hold on, I've got a little bit of a very messy, packed full pantry. Excuse the mess. We'll close that. Over here is where we've got more storage. Lots of kitchen stuff. Look at all these spices, you guys. 3 huge tubs of spices. I don't even know how I bought all these. So, anyways, large cooking utensils, cooking pans here. And let me show you my kitchen so you can see why I have to have all these extra shelves in the breezeway. Again, excuse the messes. There's Steve, like he's gonna sneak out of here. Recognize my coffee shelf? Say hi, Steve. Let's turn on some lights.
Ace says hi too.
Yeah, Ace isn't happy. So there's our table. We don't have enough room for a full table in our kitchen. We could, but it would take up the whole thing. So, and again, we're unpacking. We're doing all kinds of stuff. So there is the kitchen table. We went to Costco this weekend, so we've got apples and oranges, snack drawers, and guys, look, here's my tiny counter. Don't be jealous of the blue. Don't be jealous. Lots of fancy stuff going on here. My dirty dishes. But guys, I want you to see this dish rack. Check that out. Is that not cool? It just goes over my sink. And then here is the remainder of my kitchen counter space. That is it. That is what we have. Then our refrigerator, which is twice as big as our old one. And there's an Ava in front of it. Lots of storage. And then on this other wall, got my infamous air fryer. Got a little cabinet that I keep my bread and stuff in. And our chips. Here is our stove with my Introverted Tree and Simply Earth packages. Make sure you watch for the unboxings of those. And then here is our microwave cart with, guess what? More storage. So that is what I'm going to show you. Like I said, still a work in progress. We're still unboxing everything, but this is what I have to work with as far as kitchen and dining goes.